In a quaint little house on Maple Street, Sarah is convinced something strange is lurking beneath her cracked wooden floor, but what she finds might just tickle her funny bone instead. Armed with nothing but her trusty flashlight, Sarah musters the courage to investigate the creaks and groans echoing through her home, not expecting the silly surprises that await her. Just as Sarah leans down to get a better look, a rubber chicken launches into the air, revealing that the ghost beneath the floor is not a menace, but rather a mischievous entertainer. As laughter fills the room, Sarah realizes that her fears were unfounded. The ghost is simply looking for a friend to join in on its ridiculous fun. In a whirlwind of laughter and silliness, Sarah and her new ghostly friend create a bond that turns the frightening into the fabulously funny-making memories that neither will forget. As they settle in for a movie night filled with belly laughs, Sarah realizes that sometimes the scariest things can lead to the most unexpected friendships. With each hilarious moment, their bond grows stronger, proving that beneath the cracks of fear, there can be joy, laughter, and an unforgettable friendship.